people have said, hey, Will, what's with the Christmas tree so early? It's actually fall themed around the TV. We got some fall leaves. So we're not even there yet, but you can see back outside how beautiful it looks. This tree, there's so many beautiful trees outside. It's fall. Looks really beautiful. But let's get into it. You guys ready to go over Tesla movements today? Oh my gosh. We had some crazy stuff today. So Tesla absolutely spiked right when we started the day off today. We could see that right at market open, right around 6:30 a.m. Pacific time, 9:30 Eastern time, this Tesla stock pushed back up to about 346, 345 right at market open, and then sold off aggressively down to what was $322. Then we saw it recover. We saw some volatility, ending the day at 330, still up about 0.5%. Here on our TSLL position, we're still down a little bit, but we ended the portfolio up about 1.75% here today, coupled with some Palantir moves that we actually purchased earlier here in the Schwab. I think it was right around here I purchased, and it was on PTIR, which goes up 2% every time Palantir goes up 1%. But let's get into what Tesla looks like, what we could see here. The technicals showing that we saw it hold this critical level that we talked about yesterday. The reason it's so critical is because we saw support here, we saw support here, there was a support again, and we're like, hey, it pushed below, is it going to get rejected? But what we've seen is that it's kind of been holding above this level. And the best part about that is that when we see this hold, you see this consolidation, there's a resistance right there on the 10th, right around 340. Then we got that consolidation, some support, so another consolidation level there, and some resistance. Now we're looking, okay, looks like some upside. We see it push above that moving average. If it continue push above the moving average and it stays above the moving average, that's really good indication that we could be looking at overall a recovery back to these previous levels. Now, it's hard to look at Tesla stock without a grain of salt because it's been just massively bullish the past 2 weeks. But if we just kind of drop in and check out the trend channel here, go down from the bottom of what we saw back on from here to here, and we kind of bring it up there. We're still looking like we got room to run. We got an overall direction upwards. If we look at the moving average and we kind of look at it like on the 1 month and we bring it down to 4 hour, couple things that look good is that we are still holding well above that moving average. Now it looks a little janky the way I have it there. Might need to, fix this a little bit. It probably would be more accurate to say that we see like this. So it actually could still be a little bit overbought. We could see it sell off a little bit before continuing up. But MACD was looking oversold. We saw a big pullback the past 2 days on Tesla stock. The RSI was looking like a buy. I guess if you bring it down to like the 1 week and you bring it down to something more similar to the shorter term, then the RSI is still looking like kind of like a buy. MACD, this is kind of a divergence. So someone that's looking at this stock could easily say, hey, Will, I see that it's, holding this line right here, but what does divergence mean? Divergence in the stock market means that we have one indicator saying staying stable, while another indicator is indicating something a little bit different. And that's why the MACD is so powerful, because we see it hit the exact same levels right here at 16:30 today or yesterday, and right around 8 a.m. today, the exact same $322 level, right? Same support, same everything. But on the MACD, you can see the first time it went down, it was much more oversold. And right here, as it touches that moving average and it went down to the exact same level, now the MACD doesn't look as sold off, which means that we're actually seeing momentum, the relative strength, continue with Tesla. So it's a nice pullback. We talked about it yesterday. It's a healthy pullback. Now we just have to see a couple crazy things that happen. The DOGE, right, Department of Government Efficiency organization, was just recently approved and is going to be coming out here. You saw Trump Vance issue a letter. Dogecoin went absolutely insane the past 3 months, and I actually want to show you guys this. I don't normally, but basically I have this screenshot right here. Let me just show you guys. So one thing about the Department of Government Efficiency, I have this screenshot right here. This is from some stockmates that are a part of our community. They get to watch me trade live every single day, and guess what? They took advantage of investing in Doge since I've called it out the past 2 years here. And guys, this account is up. What is this account up? $28,000 in the past month on solely investing in Dogecoin. So quite an interesting account growth. Also seen Doge go up massively the past month and a half. So it's been absolutely crazy to watch. And that announcement from Elon, if we search Doge, and they basically said the Department of Government Efficiency is most likely going to, this thing right here, this announcement about Department of Government Efficiency most likely will spike Dogecoin. That's what we saw, right? It pushed down to 37 cents at one point yesterday, and then really started to recover back to 39 cents. Haven't hit that 43-cent high that we saw a little while ago, but we'll keep you guys in the loop. But Dogecoin, wow, what? Do you guys want to see something absolutely hilarious and how I could have been a multimillionaire? Look at my Dogecoin purchase history. I started purchasing Dogecoin back in 2018. Had purchased $2,800, including $2,800 here, so about $5,600 at a price point on Doge of 0.0. I purchased 1.4 million Dogecoins. And if we do the math and we multiply it what it's currently worth, so that's 1.4 million times 0.37 is the current price. That'd be $518,000 I would have just from buying Dogecoin. Isn't that hilarious? And I ended up selling it for like a $40 profit and thinking that was a big deal. Well, I was 17, 18 at the time. So, but wow, what a crazy day. So anyway, guys, we are looking at Tesla. We got some upward direction. I think it's going to bounce here at this SMA. Dogecoin, something I'll keep you guys updated. I'm not super into it, but it is absolutely crushing it right now. So for those of you guys that would like to watch me trade live tomorrow, I would encourage you guys to check out the second link in the description. If you're interested in investing in AI and tech companies, and you'd like to take advantage of the AI boom in 2025, I would encourage you to simply take a look at that second link down below. We have our greatest sale ever here for the fall season, and I'm really looking forward to getting to know you and you getting to watch me trade live every morning at market open. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.